Hi there. Greetings from Team Cubix. Hope you're doing great. My name is Arafat Vivazan, and I'm really happy to meet you. What's that? You like what's behind me? Well then, you're in for a treat. Let me go ahead and give you a quick tour. Come on. Welcome to our Cubix headquarters. This is where all the magic happens. So, a little about Cubix. Cubix was founded in 2008, and since then, we've built over 600 digital products. Cubix positions itself as a software and mobile app development company and a strategic and technical solutions provider. We consider ourselves really fortunate and privileged to house a world-class team of talented data scientists, developers, designers, mathematicians, engineers, and creative artists at heart. We are compassionate about building elegant and functional digital products that solve complex problems across multiple industrial verticals for enterprise clients, as well as small and medium-scale companies, individuals, and even startups.
Hi, my name is Neil, and I work as a senior product strategist at Cubix. As a product strategist, I feel it's quite important to understand the overall vision, product direction, and expectations that the client may have, which we uncover during our discovery sessions. We then solidify a development plan by sharing insights on the best development approach, practices, and strategies to ensure an extensive outreach resulting in maximum user acquisition for the respective products. Our in-depth analysis and consultation focuses on enterprise-grade stability and performance for great user experience. We also keep a strong check on the product's overall scalability, which in our opinion is absolutely elemental for growth, upgrade, and expansion. We prefer to work as a stakeholder and development partner for our clients and focus on building a strategic alliance with them. We believe in long-term business relationships, which is why we're always invested in the product's growth and expansion. Our team consists of skilled resources across various platforms, which actively brings a wholesome approach to product design and development, all the way to growth and marketing. Cubix has worked and helped quite a few big brands such as Estée Lauder's Clinique, Swatch Group's Tissot, Politico, and a dozen other startups develop their software. We know what defines a great software across all industry verticals, and we're continuously eager to welcome new market successors, disrupt technology, and launch the next big thing.
Located right in the heart of the city, our award-winning offices were created so that our fellow Cubixians could enjoy a fluid workspace which stimulates creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. Here, let me show you. On the whole, our office packs in a reception, meeting rooms, individual workstation, cozy cafeteria, some indoor games, and few private offices. However, to avoid the office feeling cramped, we have created multiple free-flowing interior space, which gives us a sense of transition and movement, which is coupled with different zones and areas that are aesthetically designed for different types of collaborations and head-down work, ranging from Scrum to project status meetings, from ideation activities to brainstorming workshops, and even selfies occasionally, with different colors and lighting being used to identify separate areas and guide visitors through the main corridor.
Hi, this is Josh, a product owner with Cubix. Cubix at its core is highly process oriented, and for the rest of the tour, we like to, illustrate our process pillars. In essence, we'll be spending a day in life of an innovation engagement. So in this space, we walk our customers through what-if exercises. For instance, we have our workshops that talk about, the UI UX processes, and also we talk about the ideation or the other activities that we perform in this space. We leverage engaging UI UX tools to best express animations and transitions during these sessions to see what best connects with our client's vision and our working product. Each of these workshops is tailored to a specific requirement for each customer. We do host these conversation sessions electronically using a variety of digital whiteboard or other interactive tools. I do want to demonstrate how user-centric approach works. My favorite aspect of all is our user-centered process. Users research comes in handy in two key moments in our approach. The first is formative research, in which we use one-on-one surveys or circumstantial inquiries to identify unmet needs. We run these experiments right here in this workshop. We'll go create specific surveys and circulate them among different testing groups to get specific data and results. This phase produces a set of personas, journey maps, and user stories that highlight user opportunities. The second phase is evident and evaluative research, in which we use rapid prototyping and testing to test the solution to solve the gaps from the first phase. Our researcher, Ali, is testing out a new experience with a user while actively recording clients' feedback, input, and most importantly, the enthusiasm. Let's take a sneak peek at some of the interesting mockups.
I wish you have a wonderful day. I hope this experience was productive and fun for you. Ciao.